we're gonna do unboxing today. So what's up everyone? Thank you for dropping by. Thank you for watching Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today is another unboxing day. Let's take them out of the box. Alrighty. Boom. And familiar ones logo. We got some Adidas today. And as you can see on the top cover, you got the Adidas 4D. Yep. You already got me 4D somewhere right here. When I picked them up on the outlet way back summer November or something like that, and is picked them up for 50%. This one is different. We got the Adidas ZX 400 4D and size 10 and a half, kind of somewhat the same with the other ones that I had, but that one is size 12. This one is my size 10 and a half. So let's take them out. Ooh, that's crazy, right? Wow. Ooh, wee. Oh, wow. Wow. Ooh, really? Wow, this is so vibrant, right? Whew. It's breathtaking. I'm so surprised when I got me those 4D Alpha 4D on the outlet, but today, ooh, this one is, oh wow, nice color though. It's, whoa, very vibrant. Like, wow, someone's gonna have a break a neck when someone saw this one on foot. Like, who? What was that? Wow. So I believe the retail on this one is somewhere 300, somewhere 60% off. This kind of lead a lot of difference. Oh, so as you may see, the 4D midsole with one of a kind. So this is my second time to have a 4D on hand. So, and this one is way different because this one is the ZX 400 4D, as you can see. Colorway, some kind of, they call it the mint. A lot of difference going on. Some kind of knit on the toe box right here. Suede on this side. Also lining a suede of blue thing on the top of the toe box. All the way goes down and the side of the medial, and the lateral side also goes down way back to the heel. Also suede, gray suede. This one is the blue suede. On the top of the tongue, it's like a just regular thing, and something a suede also on the eyelets. Orange inside, and this one is really nice though. It says Adidas Torsion ZX 140 also on the back of that tank. This is really nice. What do you think on this one? Ooh. Also, the one on this side, it got the ZX 440. Oh, the price kind of high way back, and they were like reselling high also. But now you can buy them over 50% or 60%. Hoping I could get lower than that, but I would say that's not the case because the quality on the 4D is just amazing, and Adidas is doing their best to improve the sneaker thing, that making a way different, like the 4D. Really nice. So I would love to have them on foot already. Okay, let me try to put it on, and then let's see what is my thought. I would love to hear your thought also. What do you think on this one? Huh? The color, the price, the color, and everything. So let's take them out and try. So after try them on foot, as you can see, it feels like different. If I mean way deep, it feels like not that much soft. It's kind of more stiff comparing to, I would don't want to compare, but I would like to compare it to one of those popular with is the Ultraboost. Which is more bouncier and is more softer comparing to this one. For the I don't feel like it has some kind of bounce. It looks good on foot. The feeling of putting on them and then trying to push a little bit somewhere on the back of the heel, there's no much bounce, like softness, like really stiff. I'm not really sure if they are comfortable wearing all day. I might gonna try to take a video on that. Please leave a comment if you want me to do that. So I was thinking if I'm going to travel, maybe I could make a video on that. Main thing is just for a casual wear, especially during the summer, and it will like, ooh, really nice wearing them in the summer, right? I would love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below. But anyway, the silhouette, for the technology, not bad at all. For the price, I would not buy them over the retail or the retail price, I would say. But the price alone, I got them somewhere 50 to 60% off ish. That would be a game changing. So I'm happy to have them without breaking the bank. So what do you think? Will you cap them on the retail, or you still want to wait for more 70 to 80%? I would say it will be sold out when it goes to 70%, because some people is still wanting them but not to buy them retail price. Somewhere 650 to 60 is a decent price. So as you can see, I got me the other 4D, which is the first one in the collection. Actually, it's not my actual size. It's size 12. So I said get them for the collection even though I don't wear them. But now I have this one. And my size, it's different though. This is the Alpha Edge 4D, and this is ZX 400 4D. It's just the midsole thing and the upper. Appreciate them because it was the first one in that collection, and this one's gonna be the second one in the collection. Not bad for the price. Getting a really nice shoes, kind of hype shoes without breaking the bank. So what do you think on this one, huh? Any thoughts? I would love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below, leave a like, and subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified for the next upcoming video. As always, Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.